Hello friends, I am Sonam Maheshwal. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maheshwal Steno. Today I am going to give you a dictation at 100 words per minute. So get ready, 5 seconds to go. The appellant was convicted by the trial court under section 306 IPC on the allegation that his farm labor deceased committed suicide because of the harassment meted out to him by the appellant. The prosecution case was that the appellant, 2 days prior to the incident, leveled an allegation of theft of ornaments against the deceased that the appellant had also demanded from the deceased rupees 7,000, which was given to him as advance at the time when he was kept in employment. The conviction was affirmed by the High Court. In the instant appeal filed by the accused, it was contended for the appellant that the conviction of the appellant was unsustainable as no ingredients of offense punishable under section 306 IPC were made out. Abatement involved a mental process of instigating a person or intentionally aiding a person in doing of a thing without a positive act on the part of the accused to instigate or aid in committing suicide. Conviction cannot be sustained. The intention of the legislature and the ratio of the cases decided by this court is clear that in order to convict a person under section 306 IPC, there has to be a clear mens rea to commit the offense. It also requires an active act or direct act which led the deceased to commit suicide, seeing no option, and this act must have been intended to push the deceased into such a position that he committed suicide. In the instant case, the deceased was undoubtedly hypersensitive to ordinary petulance, discord, and differences which happen in day to day life. Human sensitivity of each individual differs from the other. Different people behave differently in the same situation. In the light of the provisions of law and the settled legal positions crystallized by a series of judgments of this court, the conviction of the appellant cannot be sustained. The word suicide in itself is nowhere defined in the Indian Penal Code. However, its meaning and import is well known and requires no explanation. Sue means self and side means killing, thus implying an act of self killing. In short, a person committing suicide must commit it by himself, irrespective of the means employed by him in achieving his object of killing himself. Suicide by itself is not an offense under either English law or Indian criminal law. SSC is supplier of electricity at notified tariff rate. The sale price included advance against depreciation AAD, which is shown by SSC as sales in its profit and loss account. While computing the book profit, SSC deducted the AAD component from total sale price and took only balance amount into the profit and loss account. According to the authority for advance rulings, reduction of AAD from the sales was reserved, which had to be added back on the basis of clause B of explanation to section 115 JB of the Income Tax Act 1961. On reading, it is clear that to make an addition under clause B, the two conditions which must be jointly satisfied are that there must be a debit of the amount to the profit and loss account, and the amount so debited must be carried to the reserve. Since the amount of AAD is reduced from sales, there is no debit in the profit and loss account. The amount did not enter the stream of income for the purposes of determination of net profit at all. Hence, clause B of explanation was not applicable. There are broadly two types of reserves: those that are routed through profit and loss account, for example, a capital reserve such as share premium account. AAD is not a reserve. It is not appropriation of profits. It is an amount that is under obligation right from the inception to get adjusted in the future. Hence, cannot be designated as a reserve. It is nothing but an adjustment by reducing the normal depreciation includable in the future years in such a manner that at the end of useful life of the plant, which is normally 30 years, the same would be reduced to nil. At the end of the life of the plant, AAD will be reduced to nil. Keeping in view the facts, the total profit and loss account will be different from the above. In fact, Schedule 10A to the balance sheet for the financial years 2004-5 onwards indicated recouping AAD income received in advance. It is a timing difference and represents adjustment in future which is inbuilt in the mechanism notified by the income tax department. So friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more related videos and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.